Yes, so now we can discuss about hospitality and food services business ideas. In that, part 4 is organic vending machines. Vending machines are not exactly in vogue, but there is still in one niche that could end up being extremely profitable. Organic vending machines, whereas you can get your favorite granola bar at any time of the day. This business is most suitable for high traffic areas in affluent parts of larger cities. Organic vending machines are most important. But even in tea and coffee also nowadays, very good filtering and organic machines are organic foods are coming. If you maintain organic vending machines for tea, coffee, and snacks also, it is also a very good business service to you. But you should in a good floating center, high traffic areas are mostly useful to run this. But one thing is in organic vending machines, only you cannot maintain, but you will not get very good profit because one vending machine in one center means you will get a limited income will be there. Suppose you are maintaining vending machines in multiple places from 5 to 10 areas, you can service, you can take the charge of servicing those vending machines and repairing those machines and updating those machines and providing raw materials to that and engaging persons in those 10 centers, approximately I'm saying, approximately from 5 to 10 areas and phone call with them and what are the materials they want, how much is the cost and getting raw materials from shop. All these things you can manage. Once if you are managing all things well, the vending machines you can send with the raw material and they can do very well. So it is also a good business. Organic vending machine is a good topic to almost all people, and almost all are first preferring is good health. So organic vending in tea also, green tea is coming, and even lemon tea is coming, and even in coffee also, so many organic coffees are coming nowadays. You can engage all these things with good vending machines in good centers. You will get very good income. Wish you all the best.